Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you about style attribute and the style element. So let's start with the video. First I'm going to save this file. Save. I'm going to save it as style.html, and yes, now I'm saved with my file and I'm going to write doc type html and this, then close this. Then I'm going to write HTML, and then first I'm going to teach you the style attribute. Okay, so I'm going to write body, and next we are going to do is write h1. Okay, we are just going to write h1 heading. Okay, nothing more, and I'm going to write styling the text. Yes, I'm going to end this tag. Yes. So the style attribute is basically written in the start tag, and it is written as style. Now, first thing, you're done with style. Okay. Now my editor is also showing that style, and it is written that attribute over here. You see attribute, ATTR. That's short form. Okay. So we are done with it. And then always in attributes you need to write an is equal to sign, and whatever you write under the equal to sign is needed to be in the quotation marks, double quoted marks. So first I'm going to write font size. Okay, so I'm going to write font size. I'm going to set the font size to, and whenever like I have written font size over here, and I want to write if I want to write that what should be the font size, you need to put these, and then you then write I'm going to do it as 50 pixels. Okay, px means pixels, and then I'm going to do this. Then you need to give a semicolon, sorry, semicolon. And now we are done with it, and I'm also going to I'm also going to set the font color. So font color, so it, yes, no, you need to write color only, color. Okay, the it needs to be right only color. And then I'm going to write I'm going to write mm, red. That's good. Okay, now when that's done, one more semicolon. Now we are done with it. Like this, there are thousands of background. If you want to keep a background, so you will write here a background. I like if I keep the background as black, and if I keep the color white, that would work too. So let's check this out if it's working. I'm going to end the body and then end the HTML. Okay, now I'm saving it. Saved. Now done. I'm going to right click here and open with Chrome again. See, we have written here font size 50 pixels. Font size is 50 pixels, as you see. Then we had written over here color white. So the font's color is white, you see, white. And then we had written background black. So the background color is black. Okay. Now there are many other options like padding, but we'll learn that later. It's too much. Now we are going to learn about what is. Wait, let me just delete it first. Yes. Now we are going to learn about the style element. Okay. So the style element is always written in the head. The Wait, let me show you this. The head tag. Okay. So it is always written in this. Now I'm going to write style or yes. Now there are two ways to design the whatever you write in the style. Okay, so I want to design the h1 tag. So I will write h1. Okay, and then I will write. You need to write. We need to start with these. Okay, so there are two ways. If there is less text, like I want just to keep the background as let's say black. Okay, if I want to just keep the background as okay red, I will keep. If I want to just keep the background as red, it will be just like this. You can write this, but if you want to write many things in it, so you need to follow other steps. But let me just show you that it works. Save, and then we already opened it, right? So wait a second. Oh, we didn't put the end tag of style. Okay, now let's try. So we have written the end tag, and let's try style open with Google Chrome. See, we had done nothing to the text, so by default the text came black, and we had written that background should be red, so the background came red. Now I'm going to show you another method. Another method in the sense that uh, how it can be. Let me show you first. I'm going to delete this, and then okay. So another method in the sense that you style it in the another method. You could use this method or another method. Okay. So when you're writing this, if you follow this method according, if you follow this method, it should be something like this. You keep this the brackets, and then in that you press enter, and then they should be styled like this, and you write background. I will write background color. I will write black, and again, and you need to put semicolons here. Okay, that's important. And then I write color, which is the font color uh, as I write white. Yes, I write white. And then if if we want to write something else also, like font size. Font size if we write font size if we write 20 pixels, that will also work. Okay, now we have done that, and there's also one more option as font family. Font family. So like we'll set the font family as, wait, I need to show you what is font family. If you ever have opened Word or anything, like anything in which you write, you would have seen that in the styles option, like in this option there is cal calibri, okay. So calibri, and there are many like this, like, so you can use them too. So if I want my text as this one, century gothic, if I want, no, castellar, okay, so I will close this, and if I write that castellar, if I write that and then a semicolon, that would also work too. So let's test it out. I'm saving this, save, and then I'm going to Google Chrome and see, we had choose another type of Castellar font style, and it used that only. See, amazing. And if I choose this as Algerian, it will also get that. See, it's working. So this way you can style it. And if I had written, if ever I had written like paragraph, in paragraph I had written uh, this way use style text, if I had written ever I had written this, so you can edit that too. So that is done by P. Okay, you write P, and then you open the brackets, and in brackets you can write anything. I'm choosing this. I'm also just copying this, copy, and then I'm just pasting that over here. Okay, so if I want the background color as red and the font color as black, and if I want this as 50 pixels more than the H1 heading, so that would also work. So I'm just going to show you how it works. I'm going to save it, save. Okay, then here, see, we had written this way use style text, and we had copied everything. See, it works, it really works. And this way you can style everything. You can even style through using the style attribute or using the style element. So guys, that was for the today, and meet you in my next video. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.